welcome to another tutorial. My name is Aaron. Today I'm going to show you how to play major ninth chord. And in our previous lessons we learned how to form triad chords with a formula in the key of F, and the other keys too are also there, so you can go to the previous lessons and learn them. Now in the key of F, alright, this is my chord for my chord 1, which is my Do. This is my triad chord. Now on the scale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right, it's the same as 1, 2, because when you run the scale 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, this is the same, this is also F and is the same as 1, this is also 2, but when you're still counting, this one becomes 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, like that. So our ninth chord is the same as G, and we have G here, or which is also our second chord. So our second note rather. So our second note in the scale of F is the same as our ninth note. So how you find the ninth chord in every key, irrespective of the key, whether F sharp, C sharp, is that when you are building the scale, the second note, which is your Re, is your ninth note. So this is my triad chord, and yeah, if I'm to play this one, it becomes my ninth chord, major ninth. Now instead of playing this one, I play it here, and then I get this. Right. So you can build the others. For example, this F sharp, this is my second note, I add it in. Right. So for my G, this is my triad chord, I add the second note. This is my A, this is my second chord note. This is my B flat. Okay, we didn't do G sharp. I add the second note. Right, so it goes like that. So these are the 9 chords that you can play, and make sure you always add the first note, the chord 1 that you play, you add the second to it. Now in application, anytime you're playing a progression, how to use the 9th chords, make sure you are either using it in 1, 4, or 5 in the key of in any key. When you are playing the progression and you are playing 1, you can use the 9. If you are going to 4, you can play it, and you are coming to 5, you can play that one too. So 1, 4, 5. Right. Now, so practice this and it will help you in a lot of songs. It will spice your song and make it nice. Thank you for watching.